Hello all, welcome again to our YouTube channel Allthingswithus, and welcome back again for another amazing video. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. I really do appreciate your support. And if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. So here we are just heading to the client's place where we are going to be doing the bed transformation, because we normally do the bed transformation at the client's home, and it was very early in the morning. So travel with me as we go to do the bed transformation, and I hope you'll enjoy the video. Yeah, and if you like this kind of content, that is bed transformation, makeovers, furniture makeovers, DIYs and many more, kindly consider subscribing to this channel, because we normally post such videos and we have a variety of videos that we have already uploaded. You can visit our channel and watch more of our content. So this is the before. This is the 5x6 extra large bed that we are going to be transforming, and he had that ottoman. We are going to be transforming both of them so that they can match, because they come as a set. And I'm going to be doing this with you, and I hope you'll enjoy the video. As you can see, this is the before. You can see that the headboard was very tall. It was taller than me, and we want to reduce it a bit to a standard height and change the fabric. And yeah, that is basically what we are going to be doing in this video today. Watch the video till the end. Don't forget to like it, comment, share with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next videos.